See person when they say the hospital. This place look like hospital.
Very fit.
The man they here, they chop the food, they relax, they enjoy themselves, holding meetings, and you say that, man, God will help people with stomach infrastructure, no problem, hunger, no problem, may God provide for our needs. You
see, my camera is strong enough to capture. I can even bring it close. You see, I'll capture you. I'll capture Oga when they want me.
God will help people with stomach infrastructure, no problem, hunger, no problem, may God provide for our needs.
I would prefer to have the best president, the best president of Nigerian origin. And if you ask me, if you're going to ask me who do I think will make the best president, I would say, and it's going to upset a lot of people, but I would say Peter Obi would be an absolutely fabulous president. If Peter Obi were president of Nigeria, Nigeria would be like Dubai in a matter of years. But now.